DREAME just released their brand new L60 series robot vacuum cleaners, but there is a big mistake that a lot of people make when selecting a robot vacuum cleaner for their house. And the biggest mistake that people make is assuming that they need the most expensive flagship model to get their house cleaned properly. You see, most homeowners don't need the most expensive one. Now, if you want that, go for it. But what they actually need is strong suction, reliable navigation, and a dock that handles maintenance so they don't have to think about it every day. Or in this case, you won't have to think about it every day after you get the right model. So that's exactly where the DREAME L60 series fits in. These robots actually share core features like ThermoHub, mop self-cleaning, Vormax, suction power, and dual flex arm technology, and that combination makes them a realistic fit for about 80% of the homeowners. But where the real differences show up is when you look at each model individually. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here for you in this video. So along with the technical aspects that are different from these models, there are some physical differences between the models. And starting with the FE Ultra down here, you've got one of the more basic setups of the LiDAR. And as you move forward all the way up to the Pro Ultra, the LiDAR gets sleeker and sleeker, where the Ultra and the Pro Ultra do retract to get into lower spaces under cabinets and stuff. So that's one design element. The cameras vary in terms of how they see your space and your home. Just the complexity and the intelligence of the cameras do vary a little bit, and obviously they get better in performance as you get higher, closer to the Pro Ultra model. Physically, they're all pretty much the same in terms of size exteriorly. A little bit of design elements difference on each one, and the Pro Ultra has this nice ridged textured pattern here on the front, and you've got more of a champagne color on the PE, the Ultra, and the Pro Ultra. There's also a size difference between the FE and the PE in the cleaning solution. So if we look in here at the physical container of the cleaning solution, the FE and the PE have a substantially different size. So the FE entry level here does have the smaller cleaning solution bin as compared to the PE, and then the Ultra and the Pro Ultra also have the larger capacity, of course. And then looking on the bottom side, we've got the tri-cut brush on the FE model. We have the Hyperstream Duo brush on both the PE and the Pro Ultra, but on the Ultra, we've got the Hyperstream Duo Brush 2.0. We've also got the Detangle side brush on the FE, the PE, and the Ultra, but on the Pro Ultra, we've got the Detangle side brush 2.0 on the Pro Ultra. And as for obstacle crossing, at only 0.78 inches total crossing height, the FE is not going to be able to handle ledges or thresholds as well as the other models, because the PE can cross up to 1.57 inches. The Ultra is at 1.97 inches. And then the most advanced when it comes to obstacle crossing is the Pro Ultra at a whopping 3.46 inches of double layer obstacle crossing. Very impressive, and you can see the beefiness of the wheels there and how it can lift itself up over those obstacles or thresholds. So starting at the very top, we have the primary focus model, the L60 Pro Ultra. The L60 Pro Ultra is the top tier model in the L60 lineup, and it's designed specifically for larger homes and more complex layouts. This is the model built to handle real-world obstacles, thresholds, transitions, heavy traffic areas, and so many other things without slowing down. This is the one I'm going to spend most of my time on. In fact, one of the biggest upgrades here is the 3.46-inch Pro Leap system, working together with the triple wheel agile lift chassis. This setup allows the robot to actually climb over thresholds and navigate uneven transitions more effectively, which become extremely noticeable in homes with mixed flooring like yours might have. Navigation itself is handled through Versa Lift navigation, which improves route planning and movement across complicated floors. And when you combine that with stronger hardware, the robot simply moves with more confidence throughout your home. The L60 Pro Ultra delivers 35,000 pascals Vormax
Vormax suction, which puts it at the top of the L60 series in raw cleaning power. That level of suction is what allows it to handle various things like pet hair, tracked in mud and dirt, kitchen debris, high traffic messes, and other such disasters. And that suction is paired with Hyperstream Detangling Duo brush, specifically engineered to reduce hair tangling. If you've ever spent time pulling hair out of brush rolls, this is one of those features that saves real maintenance time. And that's time back in your pocket. Now, along edges and baseboards, the dual flex arm technology extends both the side brush and mop outward, helping the robot reach tight areas that are typically missed. And I've seen a noticeable difference in corner cleaning, especially in a bigger area, and I've done extensive testing here. I love to mop floors is something nobody has really ever said, and mopping is another area where the Pro Ultra specifically stands out. This model uses dual Omni Scrub mopping with hot water, supported by ThermoHub Mop Self-Cleaning, which uses hot water up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which cleans the mop pads between each cycle. That helps break down residue and improves long-term mop hygiene, which is something you probably haven't thought about in a while with your current robot vacuum cleaner. Now, behind the scenes, the system uses the Ace Clean Dry Board, designed to reduce residue buildup and improve drying performance after each wash cycle. There's also a dual suction compartment built into the dock system. This allows automated mop washing and fluid management without that manual intervention that you probably are used to. This is the kind of system that really turns a robot vacuum into something that truly runs on its own and minimizes the time that you have to spend maintaining it. Now, battery performance is another key advantage with the L60 Pro Ultra because it includes an industry-leading 6,400 milliamp hour power core battery, allowing longer runtime and broader coverage, especially useful in large homes where multiple cleaning passes are actually required. And when it comes to smart behavior, the model includes the following things: Pet-Friendly Care 4.0, intelligent carpet cleaning, direct voice control, and even app control, all of which help tailor cleaning behavior depending on floor type and environment. So who is this model actually built specifically for? If you want the strongest cleaning performance and the highest level of automation in the L60 lineup, this is definitely the model that delivers all of those for you. Now, before I get into the other three models, I just want to be upfront here and make it easy for you because I'm going to share all the technical differences. But at the end of the day, if you want the best and fully hands-off experience from the L series, you definitely want to stick with the Pro Ultra. But if you want something more balanced, the Ultra PE that's coming up here is going to be a right fit for you. Or if you just want to stick to a budget entry-level one, then go with the FE and you're good to go. Now let's get to the technical stuff. Now, next up is the L60 Ultra PE, also known as the Performance Edition. This model focuses heavily on obstacle recognition and intelligent navigation, improving those systems compared to the FE version. Cleaning performance here starts with 30,000 pascals of Vormax suction, which still delivers very strong debris pickup across both hardwood floors and carpets in my testing. The brush system uses the Hyperstream Detangling Duo brush along with the detangling side brush, helping reduce hair buildup during operation. Along edges, the dual flex arm technology continues to provide extended cleaning reach, keeping performance consistent along walls and even in those pesky corners. Mopping performance includes dual Omni Scrub mopping supported by ThermoHub Mop Self-Cleaning, delivering reliable mop maintenance between every cycle. Navigation is handled using smart Pathfinder technology, which supports 3D adaptive obstacle avoidance and recognition of up to 220 object types using depth-based sensing. Additional smart features also include Omni Dirt Detection technology, mop rewashing, floor remopping, smart carpet cleaning, and many other strategies. This model works best for mid-sized homes, homes with moderate obstacles, users who want strong navigation without stepping into full flagship territory. The L60 Ultra FE, or Fine Edition, is positioned as the essential automation model within the lineup. This version also starts with 30,000 pascals Vormax suction, delivering dependable cleaning for everyday household messes. Brush performance includes the Tri-Cut Brush 3.0, along with a detangling side brush, helping maintain consistent debris pickup along those baseboards. Edge cleaning still benefits from dual flex arm technology, ensuring reliable wall coverage. Maintenance is handled through the Ace Clean Dry Board and 8-in-1 Power Dock, maintaining the automated cleaning workflow found across the entire series. Navigation uses Smart Pathfinder technology in a single laser configuration, delivering reliable movement throughout the smaller environments. So this model specifically is best suited for apartments, in my opinion, or smaller homes, entry-level automation users, and keeping things a little bit more simple. Now, finally, the L60 Ultra sits between the entry and the flagship tiers, balancing performance and the pricing of it. This model actually includes 35,000 pascals of Vormax suction, paired with the HyperStream Detangling Duo Brush 2.0, delivering very strong cleaning capability. Optical recognition uses AI-enhanced 3D TOF version, supported by 3D TOF camera plus LED, improving performance in low-light environments. Mopping performance includes dual Omni Scrub mopping, along with ThermoHub mop self-cleaning, keeping mop hygiene very consistent. Maintenance features include the Ace Clean Dry Board and the 8-in-1 Power Dock, supporting automated upkeep across the daily cleaning cycles. This model really makes sense for medium to larger homes, that same mixed flooring environments, and users looking for strong performance at a balanced level without springing for that top-tier budget. The reason the DREAME L60 series fits so many homes comes down to the flexibility in the choice of models you have. Every model shares core technologies like ThermoHub, mop self-cleaning, Vormax suction power, dual flex arm technology, to name a few. But each one scales performance to match different home sizes and cleaning needs depending on your unique home. If you're comparing models or trying to decide which one fits your space, I've included links to all 4 models in the description below so you can check current pricing and configurations and maybe have a little bit better idea of what features each one offers. And if you're already using one of these, I'd be interested to hear which model you actually ended up choosing and how it's working in your home now, so definitely leave that comment below. Overall, the idea here is that while these robot vacuum cleaners are not priced very differently, they all fit a specific tier of robot vacuum cleaner and automation. So really dive into some of the specs and settings and see which one is right for you. Because like I said in the beginning, not every home needs the most expensive robot vacuum cleaner. But after using every single one of them here for a little bit, my personal preference is the Pro Ultra, but that is just me. Let me know what you decide. Check those links below, and I'll see you on the next one.